Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I discuss with you the topic of class 11 and our subject is business studies. Today our topic is profession and feature of profession. Profession refers to that economic activity which is conducted by a person having some special knowledge and skill which is used impartially to serve the various sections of society. It refers to that economic activity. Economic activity are those activities the main objective behind of earning money, which is conducted by person. All the activities conducted by person having some special knowledge and skill. Who have some special knowledge and skill means normal person cannot become a profession, which is used impartially to serve the various sections of society. The main motive behind that the profession service is that to provide service each and every section of the society, not in the individual section. So it is the profession. Now the feature of profession. Features of profession. Well-defined body of knowledge, restricted entry, representative, professional association, ethical code of conduct, and last one is service motive. These are the features of profession: well-defined body of knowledge, restricted entry, representative professional association, code of conduct, and service motive. Now I explain with you all the features one by one. The first one is well-defined body of knowledge. The indication with the name that it is a well-defined body of knowledge. Every profession, any profession, there is requirement of the knowledge of a particular field. If a person wants to become a profession, then it is necessary to him to get the knowledge, skill, experience, training, everything about his a particular field. Individual person means ordinary. Individual person cannot become a profession. To become a profession, it is necessary to have some special knowledge, skill, experience, training. So it is the well-defined body of knowledge. It is the first feature of the profession, that well-defined body of knowledge. Second one is restricted entry. With the name, it mentioned that there is a restriction, there is a foundation for a particular profession. It is necessary to the entry will become necessary to become a profession. Like as if a particular person wants to become CA, it is necessary to the member of the ICI. A particular person want to become a doctor, it is necessary to become the member of the Medical Council of India. So it is necessary to get a profession, you have to get the education, training, theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge. to enter into a particular institute which provide a specific knowledge to a particular profession. Like as to if you want to become a CA, then the knowledge will be provided to the ICI, means it is necessary to become the member of the ICI. As well as if you want to become the doctor, then it is necessary to become the member of the Medical Council of India to get the theoretical knowledge as well as the experience from a such type of the institution. Third one is professional association. Professional association, it is also known as the representative professional association. For a particular member, it is necessary to become the member of a particular profession association, as well as the various type of the function of the professional association should be followed by the every profession. The function is that to regulate the behavior of profession, behavior of organization, to create a code of conduct, to regulate entry in a particular professional association. As well as I already explained in my previous feature, restricted entry, there are the various type of the professional association which provide a particular skill, knowledge, experience to a particular profession. If you want to become a lawyer, it is necessary to become the member of Bar Council of India. If you want to become CA, it is necessary to become the member of the ICI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. If you want to become the doctor, it is necessary to become the member of the Medical Council of India. Means it is necessary for the profession that to get the education, degree, experience, and to regulate the member, to regulate the entry, to follow the rules regulation which is created by the particular profession association. Lawyer के लिए बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया, चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट फॉर ICI, डॉक्टर फॉर मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया. Now the next feature of the profession is that code of conduct. It is the fourth feature of the profession, that the code of conduct, creation of the code of conduct. It is necessary for every professional association, every profession to follow and create the code of conduct. Code of conduct means the rules and regulation which are created by the particular profession association. It is necessary to every profession to fulfill all the rules regulation. If any member, if any profession who does not fulfill the rules regulation code of conduct, then the membership of the particular profession can be cancelled. So it is necessary for a particular profession, all the rules regulation should be followed by all the profession like CA, doctor, lawyer, etc. Now the last feature of the profession is that service motive. Service motive, it is indicated with the name that to provide a service for the social welfare. We know that the profession is the economic activity. So in that economic activity means it is necessary to earn some money. But in profession, our chief motive is to provide better service to the society. Either it is the lawyer or doctor or chartered accountant, it is the chief motive to provide the social welfare to the society, and after that to get the money. To earn money is very necessary because the profession is the economic activity. If we conduct all the activity for the social welfare and not get any type of the fees, any type of the money, then it is not called the profession. So it is the chief motive that to provide a service to the society, but in the average of that type of service you should get some money. Like as the doctor, it is the necessary for a doctor that the chief motive to treat the patient effectively and efficiently. But for doctor, it is the chief motive, but also the economic motive is that to get some money, to earn money. So it is the feature of the profession to provide service for the social welfare. It is the chief motive, but does not ignore that to earn profit, because it is the economic activity. I explained all the feature and the meaning of the profession. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.